We're down here in the shop today, and the mission is to one, kind of get this place kind of cleaned up a little bit, and two, get some lights, some of these 12-volt DC lights over onto the other side over there where you see where it's dark, and get them hooked up so we got some light over there and get this insulation and stuff back where it needs to be. So let's get to work. Okay, I know might be kind of hard to see here, but so there's this outlet that's here, just kind of barely hanging there on the wall, and it's got some wiring that comes up into this huge mess of somewhat of a junction box kind of thing. So anyway, we're gonna have to get that straightened out and get these wires and stuff straightened out. But the first thing that we need to do is I need to find out what breaker these are on. Now I could just go through and just start, hitting breakers and seeing, which one shuts stuff off. But off of Amazon, I end up purchasing this little circuit tracer. So I wanted to try it out and just kind of see how it works. So anyway, I'm going to get this part plugs into the outlet, and then use this part to trace the breakers. And so give me just a second, I'm going to get this plugged in, and we'll trace those breakers over there. Alright, so I got this part plugged in. It shows that the outlet is hot. It's got the red light on there. So push the power button, come over here, and according to the instructions, it says to go over each breaker slowly. It said it might beep several different times as you're going through there. This is some kind of like calibration thing. Okay, and then after you do that, then you should be able to go and find the breaker. So I'm thinking it's that one, because I'm not getting a reading off of any of those. Try this again. So let's flip this one off. And let's see. And now the red light is off. So we know that we've killed the power to that circuit. So another thing to remember too, even though I think everything's off, you should still, have a tester to test things and make sure that things are off before you just start grabbing wires. In an old house, like this, you just never know what's wired together and what breakers actually really control, what in the house. So anyway, just a little safety tip. All right, so got the outlet fixed here. Got the wires all fixed. They're not all hanging down now. Just went ahead and put in a new box. I don't have anything against the metal ones, but I don't know, the plastic ones, a little less likely to get shocked even if they're grounded. So put that in there, got all those wires straightened out, and then got all the lights actually installed, kind of, I think, where I want them. They're really super easy to install. They come with these just little brackets, and they just screw up there, and so pretty easy. So got all my leads to those kind of hanging down. And so now we gotta run the wiring from the main area over there where the DC power is, all the way over to here, and then to the switch, which is over there on the wall. All right, everyone. So got all the lights up. Everything is like super bright. Loving it. Got my switch just kind of hanging here at the moment. I'm gonna fix all that. I'll show you guys that, and I'll kind of explain how that toggle switch gets hooked up. You know, straighten out the wires like as best as I can. Obviously, there's still wires showing. At some point, I know it seems stupid, but at some point in time, if I ever decide to put drywall up on the ceiling here, I'm gonna have to detach all these wires and kind of rewire everything. But just to have light in here, like, I'm willing to take that risk. I'm willing to do that. So once again, all of these are DC powered lights, and then these are the very first ones that I put up right here, and these were the second ones that I put up here kind of in the shop area. So as you can see, looking through here, like literally it's like bright, like it's daytime in here. So this is awesome. So anyway, once I get a chance, I'll show you how I hook that toggle switch up and get a new faceplate on that box. All right, so finally got this part of the project done. Man, it's bright in here. I love it. I got the got my switch cover there. It's basically just a blank cover, and just made 2 holes in it for the switches, so it's nice and finished there. There's only really one more part of this kind of DC lighting project, and switch actually goes in that hole right there. It's going to be for some outside lights, but you know, we're gonna have to wait a little bit for some funding to come in for that. And just to kind of give you an idea about what these lights are drawing from the DC side here of the system, it's been cloudy over the last probably 2 days. There's been a little bit of sun here and there, but it's been pretty cloudy. So batteries were probably at about 13 volts or so. So here, you know, we're showing 12.8, so still pretty much a full battery going on. And obviously it's not charging. It's nighttime right now, so there's no charge. So with those 2 batteries and those batteries down there, all of those together, you know, we're still looking at 12.8 volts. So I should be able to run, you know, these DC powered lights for many hours, and it's not even gonna touch the AC side of power going to the other side of the basement. So I call that a success. So anyway, this will end this video, and hope you liked it. Please hit the like and subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when some new videos come out. Other than that, see you later.